Yes, go ahead.
So here in the release strategy.
Mm-hmm.
So I have created a header level release for what you say purchase requisition.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So I have created two characteristics, that is PO
Yeah, overall value. Okay.
overall value, and second one is purchase group.
Mm.
So this one is not no, okay. So in this scenario, when I have created this for what we say PO, it was working fine, but for PR it's not working, like it's not picking the values. So here you can see the price is
So release strategy is triggering, right? Is it not
it's
triggering?
triggering, but like I have defined various release strategy, like 0 to 1000 will be there, then 10,000 to 1 lakh will be there. So two three release strategies is there, but each time only one release strategy is picking.
Then you have to check the how much bandwidth, the value which you are taking up. So you just show me that. Go to that. I think now someone disturbed. Our data will be changed,
Missing.
missing. But one thing is that, see how this value will take up based on your classification. Okay, if you go to your classification, always in the classification tab of release strategy, there you should maintain the bandwidth from this to this to this for
Yes,
each
yes, I have
release.
maintained already. You can see now we cannot see in our what is the system, but
System it is not
you can see the net values I have created here.
10,000. Okay, you have maintained 10,000
Yes.
value.
For PO, it was picking absolutely right. For PR, it was not picking. Then also one thing I have tried to discover, like whenever we create a like release procedure, we only take the values and what we say purchase group or plant we take as a characteristics. So I tried to create a new characteristic, like what's the characteristics? Where it is. Document is getting detailed day by day. So it's hard to find something.
Mm.
So what are the my okay? So my characteristics of plant and document category.
Mm.
So what was the motto to create this scenario? Like for certain plant, if they buy something from the contract, then release strategy should trigger, and only one release strategy will be there. Like all level of the releases will be there. This code
Mm.
will be there. So I
Mm.
tried to create that one. It's not, and it's not reflected in the system. Like uh,
See, don't scroll simply. Okay, what I'll do is just stick to the one point. Okay, which
okay.
one you are referring? So you are
Mhm.
referring two characteristics, right? One is plant, one is document
Okay, do
category.
one thing. Do one thing, Prashant. Let me. Will you explain me this two characteristic? Using two characteristic, I want release procedure. Like scenarios like that. For I have two plant. So one plant is we can create as a head office, and second plant we can create as a work plant. So
Mm-hmm.
whenever from the second plant anyone buy material from using a contract,
Mm-hmm.
then this release strategy should trigger.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay,
so
you're saying
then
like
uh,
if they're referring
the
contract.
contract, then release strategy should trigger, and only two characters will be there. The plant will be there, and uh, what we say, then document category will be there.
Mm. See, that is see, you can take a field as a contract you're referring, right? Example, you have to identify what would be the field reference for
Yes, yes, I have done
contract.
already. So
Mm.
you can see in characteristics.
The purchase document category which you have taken, which is
Uh,
for a respective example, why we are taking a purchase document category for the contract. You want release strategy, or you want release strategy for purchase requisition and purchase order. Okay, that is reference example. See, contract has a document category as K, and for the purchase order document category as F, and you can maintain equal to F equal to K, then it should trigger, then it will pick up the release strategy for contract. It will pick up the same release strategy for a purchase order, like that. That is the field you are referring. What is purchase document category? That purchase document category will not help you to identify, okay, with, whether
No,
that
no, no.
PR has.
Actually, some person in here, like here, another term is there for purchasing document category is there. One term is there, and here we can select like contract outline agreement. So
Yeah,
we,
got it.
if
Got
you
got
open,
it. Got it. I know that. I know the field. That reference, what characteristics you are referring, document category, which will choose in the back end, okay, whichever category belong to. Example, you are choosing as a contract, okay, then it is equal to K. You would have, you can go and see that also. Go to SAP screen and get into the release strategy or somewhere. Go to the this thing. If that strategy is there, let's see, or else I'll ask you to go to table level to check that field. Go to metal management, release, purchasing.
Purchase order will be there.
Go with anything, purchase order or purchase request, whichever. You just open. I'll guide you. Purchase order is there down. Next, purchase requisition. Come down.
Okay, purchase requisition is here. First, we will perform purchase requisition, then release procedure, procedure classification, and check release strategies or
No,
characteristics.
go with the setup procedure with the classification. Click on third one. Not check. Yeah, under this you can find that release strategy. Don't go to groups and all. Directly get into a release strategy. Anyway, that there's someone changed now. So you just find whether your entry is there. No, right?
No.
Okay, just open at least. Open one strategy. Okay, go to the classification. Now it is only 2 levels are there. Okay, give me control of system. I'll show you one how this purchase document category is going to help you. Okay.
Give me control.
Example, I'll go to now SE11. Okay, SE11. So SE11 will give you details about structure for this release strategy. Example, CBAN is for release purchase requisition. I'm just taking CBAN. Okay. So CBAN will contain all the fields, which from there only we'll pick up the characteristics. We cannot take out of that list. Okay, so it is loading some time. It's taking some time. Let's wait for that.
Or else we can create a new scenario.
Wait.
Okay?
No, it will take very long time. I'll tell you that. It will take very long time to create the scenario now. But I'll explain you now how this purchase document category will purchase document category. One second, I'll just scroll down and see. Do you know the field name for that purchase document category?
Okay, I have to check my document. It will be there.
Okay, check once. EKGRP is for this thing, purchasing group, I think. EKORG is for purchase organization.
Document category is that BS.
Okay.
TYP.
Okay, just get into the SAP screen. Okay, BS TYP. Control F. BS TYP. Okay, see this one has how many length? One. Okay, one is length. Sorry. See, purchase document category is VR TYP is there, and BS TYP is there. This is the proper characteristics. Okay, how to check this? I just leave this control. Okay, I'll go to SC69. Okay, and I'll type EKPO or EKKO. So EKKO will store all the details like contract, schedule agreement, purchase order, everything will be stored in EKKO header level. There is no separate table for contract or schedule agreement like that. Okay, everything will be stored in this.
Yes.
So here you can find BS.
I already there. Third one.
It is there. Okay, I'll be choosing this. Okay, I'll just unselect all. I'll choose only BSTYP and EVLN and company code. Okay, this details I'll just select, and any item level I want, I can take also. Material I can take. Material will be in the sorry, EKKO. It will not be then EKP. Sorry, EKPO. It will be there. I'll just show you one example. When I execute here, okay, so this will give all the entries in the system which has all this category. From this you can differentiate. Example 104, 105, 201. These numbers are there. How you differentiate with the reference to this only. F means what? F means purchase order.
Yes.
Okay, and K means contract, L means schedule agreement, A means request for quotation. All this will be stored in one table, EKQ, AFKL. Okay, so when you choose this as a characteristics, okay, system will apply. When you write like this purchase document category is equal to K, L, F, A, when you include this, then this release strategy will apply for all the purchase document.
Okay.
When it satisfy equal to K, then it will look into the all the contract which has that purchase organization or maybe the plant number, whatever here. See, you are giving other character like total value, plant, then all that details will be there, right? Example, you may have a contract with the 1,000 plant, you may have a contract with the 1,000 purchase order also, the same plant. Then system will trigger release strategy for contract also and purchase order also if you choose this category. In case you choose only contract is equal to K, then with that combination it will not trigger for purchase order. That is the control. But in whatever scenario you are talking, you are saying two plants are there. Okay, one plant they are creating a purchase requisition with reference to a contract, then this field is not going to help you.
No, not actually. I have created two characteristics. Okay, one is plant. So I have given the value of second plant. So what will be the characteristic value in classification will be the second plant. What is the code? And then document category will be K.
Okay. Then how the document category will not be there in PR, right? PR don't have K. How you expect release strategy should come in a PR level?
No, for PO.
PO, you're talking about PO or PR? Just
PO.
Okay. In the PO level, if you give only K, then it will not come for PO. It will only when you create a contract, then that release strategy will come.
I also tried that one. Like I have created new contract and tried this one. So in creating a contract, it's also not asking any what we say release strategy.
It is not coming. Release strategy is not triggering with that combination.
No.
With the plant and document category is equal to K. It should trigger. Anyway, I will try out. I will create one scenario for you and I will show you whenever I get some time, right? Definitely,
Okay,
I will
we
prepare.
got 15 minutes. You can prepare that.
No, now it's not good. I joined you because to see your all the open questions. Okay, Q&A thing. So regarding scenario creation, I will create from my end with the system. It definitely will take some 10-15 time to create. So that I will do it after the session and I'll update you. Okay.
No.
If any open question is there, you just ask me. So I'll
Not
just
exactly. These are the open questions.
only you have this only on the release strategy. You have doubts, and you told something about consignment. You have some doubts or some
might be
contract.
you have like we had doubt like what will be the accounting entries will be there. So we have already created that. Like you were saying, com will be there, and said like another entry is there. So it's clear.
Okay. So there is no any open questions, right?
Whenever I got question, I post to the group once.
Okay.
If it is related to accounting, I will post to the
Okay, that's
professor.
okay. If anything is there, you can ask me now, or else you can ask me later. No issues. So let me try out then. If you have time, another 10 minutes, I'll try out this scenario. Uh, Okay, SPRO. We are going to do for a PO, right? Purchase order, header level, right?
Yes. Only header level is there, no?
Okay, header level means you can take the plant number. Plant cannot be taken, I think. Let's see. When you're talking about plant, so
Might be this is the reason, like
that's the reason you're taking the plant. When I go to S11, see, I'm sharing this thing with you. So what is the structure to be used? Wait, the system is little slow. Okay, I'll open S11. S11. Okay, here I'm going with the CKQ. This is a structure used for communication strategy for purchase document. Okay, it's for all PO, contract, schedule agreement, quotation, whatever it is. Okay, here if I search like works, right? Okay, you don't find you find here works in the plant level is there. Overall, it's there is no header level, there is no item level. Overall, it is there. PO always overall. So I'll be taking this. Okay, characteristics. Okay, so there is header level only. We are managing like right. I'll just make it. This is one characteristics I'll take. Then another is like purchase document category, right? BSTYP. I'll check here BSTYP. Okay, BSTYP is there. Okay, so let's put this two characteristics. Purchase document category, and this is plant. Okay, so I'll see first whether I have we have a characteristics in the system. CT04. Here I'll check something whether we have any characteristics. We can use same only. Okay.
Shall I tell you my characteristics name? So
Here I'll just search document category, something description. Category, I'll just put some star, or else I can recreate quickly. No issues for that. Okay, there are many categories are there anyway. What I'll do is I'll create from the search. Okay, BYSTYP purchase document category, PD category. Okay, this is the, I'll make it simple, PDC. This is one category. Okay, create it, and here I should use PDC, and then single value or multiple value I can choose here, and then I'll go to description, enter this data type. This is a character format and number of characters 1 here. Then values, additional data I'll just use CKKO. Okay, I think it's CKKO, right? Not CKKO here. And then
no, it's CKKO. It's asking for communication table.
Okay, communication strategy. Okay, BSTL. Okay, it is now it is picking from. Okay, it is picking CKKO and BSTF. Everything is good. This character we are going to save it. Okay, I'll just use this here. It's a character, and I'll take some. I'll create new character. I'll save this first. Then I'll create works. PO. Create. Plant. Header level. And description, all that. Okay, characteristics here. Format. And it's 4-digit. Additional value CKKO works. Okay, this picked up. I can give multiple values here. Okay, so I'll save this, copy. Okay, 2 characters got saved. Okay, sorry, I'll get into now for the class, maintaining the class. I'll go to CL02 and I maintain a new class, PO header release. Take this as a class. Okay, then save it, enter class type 032. Okay, I have to create this. Okay. You can mute yourself, Lakesh. If it is required, I can unmute. Released keywords, characteristics. I'm adding characteristics from here. One is BSTIP and one is works PO. Okay, it got picked up. Now I will be maintaining the all these details. Okay, released class. Okay, save it. Class got created. Okay, this is the class. Now I'll be getting into a release strategy process. Go to method management, purchasing, purchase order, then release strategy. Sorry, release strategy, define release procedure. So I'll be going to create release group here quickly. So now this different class is there. I should maintain this class. Pure release. Enter. Okay. Let's put this. So sorry, I have to. What is this H? I don't know. Wait, I'll just delete this. I'll create from the scratch only. Save it. New entry. Group. I'll just create group here. PO. PH I can create. PH is a group. Okay, one entry chosen. I'll be saving this. That got saved. Now I'll be getting into release code. So release code, I'll make just one or two entries. I choose the PH here group. Then I'll take the code as L1 description, purchase engineer, P purchase engineer, another one P2 PH L2. I'll just take 2 levels enough, senior purchase engineer. Okay, save it. Codes are maintained. Get back to the indicator. Will not change. Blocked is B block and release. We can use this. Then come back, release strategies. So create release strategy by giving the release group PH. Release strategy, I can say release R1. Okay, we are taking plant and document category, right? We are not worried about the value. Okay, so I'll be choosing the L1 and L2. These 2 levels should approve. If the category, the PO has plant and the document category, that's it. Okay, I'm just going with the prerequisite. Continue. Status. Block release. If both are released, then it will release. Classification. See, these 2 are coming now. Document category, I'm just giving as F. If it is purchase order, I should choose always here F, purchase order. I want for contract, I should enter contract also. Plant, I'll take 1000.
Person try contract.
You want contract or not for a purchase order?
No.
Okay, then we'll put for contract. Okay, we'll change. We'll come back and change. No issues. Now this release strategy is there now with 1000 plant. Okay, I'll just save it. Come back and just check the release simulation. Just click on simulate release. Set. Okay, set release. Wait, I have to do this. Classification is done. I have to choose this. All that's good. Okay. Simulation. It should show here. 1 second.
Might be in this system.
Wait, I'll just see here once. Is all good? Simulation is not coming. Anyway, that is fine.
We always ignore that one. Always show the.
Okay, that's okay. I'll just save it first. Please check release statuses. It is coming. This block release. All is good. No issues. I'll just save it. Okay, data saved. Anyway, I'll just try with this data. So let's go to 1000 plant I maintain. I'll take some contract, existing contract with the 1000 plant. Okay, I'll go with 1000. 1000 by material, or wait, I'll just go with the report. That will be better. Logistics, metal management, and the purchasing, outline agreement, contract, and then list of contract here. By material, by, okay, I'll just try with this ME3M. I'll pass the plant number here, 1000. I'll remove this and I'll give a document date for a 1 year time, or this year anything is maintained. This plant will see the contracts execute. Okay, release. Right, that better than that. I can take it from the I'll just directly create something contract, no issues. 31K to take some time to take that. Okay, let me create one contract directly with 1000, which is your because this system is different, right? That's why. What I'll do is I'll take all 1000. Okay, so with 1000 setting, I can do it. Yes, Lokesh.
So already 10:30.
Uh-huh.
Already 12:30.
That's okay. I'll just manage somehow.
Okay.
Contract vendor. Vendors by plant chasing. Okay, 1000. I'll take some vendor. Okay, I'll take this vendor MK. This agreement. Okay. Payment term is not defined. Okay, I'll take other vendor. Okay, I'm just giving the deadline. it down here. Then I'll get into the material. I'll choose the material from the plant 1000. So these are the shortcut you can use also whenever you are creating anything. Contract. Okay, not required to remember. So whenever you're taking any material, there is one option called by plant material by description. This one you should choose always. This one. So then you enter the plant number here. Then you can get the list of material with the reference to the plant number 1000. Okay. So here I'll take bearing as a material. Enter. Okay. In case account assignment category is not there, might not maintain means there is quantity and update is not done. I'll not go to the that material. I'll just take any other material which has a proper setup. I'll take this. Okay, this also has same problem. Let me try out with other material.
Question, it's system problem. It's always show that.
No, not system problem. I'll tell you why. People change. See, now it went right. Not system problem. There is one setting like in OMS to what happens. Each material type will have a different OMS to in setting. Sometimes they'll uncheck. We have a material setup.
No, like for my plant, I have already checked that one, like value and quantity update is
Show me.
okay or not.
Show me an example. I'll fix it. That is not at all system problem. I'll show you.
Okay.
I'll fix you.
We will see the
Yeah. The later you can see. So that can be fixed. I heard that many will say that's a system issue. There is one combination people will miss out. Sometimes material type is different and the combination of validation area is different. That is not maintained, then it will be a problem. See, now it is done. Okay, I have just maintained. So now if you save this, right? So I'm just creating this with 1000 plant, right? I just saved it. This contract got maintained, right? Now I'll go to ME33L. Enter this contract number. Sorry, I'll just take contract today's date. Which is document agreement date. Right, there is one option is there. I'll go to
and drop down there also option.
Yeah, ME33L 33K. Okay, that is coming. So this is the maintained one. Then go to here, your release. Sorry, here environment. Sorry, your option is there. Release strategy. Header. Okay, header level. You can find this release strategy icon. This tab option. Click on this. See.
Okay, release strategy is
we maintain release group as PH and release strategy R1, and L1, L2 is first final release both should do, and now it is blocked. In case you want to release it, you should go to a release option. I think ME35.
So by using this contract, I cannot create new new purchase order.
You can create.
No, it's blocked now.
No, you cannot now. You can't create because it is not released.
Okay.
Until unless you are not released this, you cannot create any purchase order with that contract. Your question is it was not releasing at all, right?
Yes.
So that it'll if you maintain the proper details. Example, if you release now, it will ask for you to release level. Example, ME55 and enter, or ME35 something is a standard one. Here, if you add the release code L1, L2 or something, then this release group PH, it will show with the category K, execute. So you can see this is the agreement which we maintained today, agreement with PH and R1. You can release it. Once you release affected with the release code L1. Okay, save it. And if you go to ME33L now back, enter this contract number. Wait. ME33K, sorry, ME33K. Enter this. Okay. Here, if I click on release strategy, see now L2 is not released, so it is showing still block. Okay. I'll go back to ME35 and I'll release L2 level, second level with PH and execute. Okay. Right. L2 PH. Okay, something at that L2 level is not taking up, I think. And give me 35K. Remove this and execute. L1 execute. Okay, some problem. I think we have released this, but where to save it? That's the question. Okay, saving here. I did not save last time. Now I should go with L2 PH. That's my mistake. And execute here. Now it is showing for a release possible for L2 next level. Then I should select this line, release. Okay, already it is processing. Okay, I should close that once. That will happen sometime. You should display once with ME33K. Come here, releases. See L1, L2, L1 is released. Releases to date is L1 is done, and this is pending. I'll go back to ME35 and enter this group. Everything execute. So now it is for next level. Release, save, affected. Go to ME33K. Enter, release. So both got released. Releases up to date. Now if I copy this contract number, if I go to ME21N, then I can refer it easily. If I copy this outline agreement, enter, so I can use this. How much you want, how much you want to raise. It's a normal process again, same. Hope it is clear for you, right? So the characteristics you wanted to take this both characteristics as a plant and item category as K, it is triggering. Now, what I'll do is simple change I'll do. You have seen, right? What I'll do, I'll just go to SPRO, or directly you can go to CL20N. When you enter CL20N, and if you put this PH and you put R1 release strategy, so you can find this release strategy which is there. Choose this, open this, and here I'll just change contract to a purchase order. Okay, save it. Simple. I just maintained a different character for the document category. When I go to ME31K now quickly I'll do the negative testing for you. Enter, press enter, just put just 8 and take the material, ball bearings, enter the number 1000, price 100, and here now I'll check, save it. Okay, contract got saved. I'll display. Here I can display this quickly. Enter. If I come here, see, purchase document not subject to release strategy. Simple. Now what I'll do, I'll take same example here. Okay, simple. I'll show one example to you. I'll take this material. I go to ME21N and I create a new document here, PO. Enter this material, put 1000 and put all 1000. 00, enter the vendor number. I'll take it from the contract, same vendor. Quickly I can just check it. Price I can enter, price 100. Okay, so here it is asking price. I'll just choose some manual entry here, PBX6 or some other entry. I can take ZB00 or PBX6. Yeah. So I'll enter this 100. Okay, the quantity is asking 10 number. Net price should be this problem with this pricing structure. Someone change always the pricing. It will not allow you to enter the price manually. Okay, anyway, I'll just enter this. Okay, now see, everything is good, right? When I check it, okay, it should trigger release strategy. See here. T1 L1 L2 SP. Okay, when I change that to a contract, then it will not trigger here. Simple. If you want, I can show that also. So anyway, I'll save this. Now it is one PO release strategy is triggered. Okay, now I'll go back to CL24N 2020N, and I'll maintain this and come here. If I want both means I can add both also here. I'll just put here K now and save it. Okay, and then I'll go to ME21N with the same data. Create this. Enter this vendor number, material, plant, location, then this material, this. Okay, enter everything, then quantity.
Prices.
Okay, price picked up from the last PO. It picked up. See, I entered 100. No, previous PO is there. No, automatically PO will take the old price. So not required to enter again. This is one example for you. So when I come here, na, and I check it, now there is no release strategy. See.
Yes.
Because I removed the characteristics as F to K. Now it will create for the contract. If you want to have contract, schedule agreement, all PO level, then you should include all the three category like L, K, F. Then this all the document level, that level, na, plant combination. When you have this plant combination with that category, then it will trigger. If you enter some different plant number, then it will not pick up. So it should meet all the characteristics. That's it. Combination. Why we are keeping all the character? You have to decide. Okay, this combination, it should trigger. That's it. Okay.
For my
Clear?
case, might be for without releasing that contract, I was able to use that contract to create a purchase order. So I will check that one once.
That is meaningless. If you trying to wanted to create PO without releasing contract, then you should tell business. Then why you are putting up a release strategy for your contract? You just keep it as open, and then you create PO, and PO level you
no, not actually. When I have created the scenario without releasing, I was able to do the. So that should not happen now. Like whenever
without releasing also, it is allowing to create PO.
Yes. So I will check that once also.
Show me once. If it is blocked, when PO is
no, I already I don't know how to check that. Now I know how to check the release strategy working on a
you check the release strategy contract. At least get the contract release strategy. Then you without releasing the contract, I try to create a PO with the reference that it will show contract is not released. If you want, I can show here also. Wait, I'll do that. I have I'll manage it, no issues. Example C. Now I'll create one contract. Okay, I'll go quickly and create it.
First you have to change this characteristic.
I maintained for the K. I changed, no? I changed.
Okay.
I'll show you this. Okay, I'll just trigger now. Release strategy. So this contract got created. Go to 33. So now see, this is blocked. Not release, right? What I'll do is I'll just copy this. Go to ME21N. Create this. See. Release orders against contract.
So might be my release procedure not picked up that.
Release procedure was not picked up. You did not check the release part. It was not there. Definitely that is open contract. It's not releasing is not record. So you can create a purchase order. That's why this is a standard blockage. Even see or else you can go and change the message number also. If contract is not released also, PO should allow to create this thing. Then it is a loophole. In the sense, it should not allow user to create PO at all. Releasing is what? It's a kind of checking, right? Someone should check that contract. That is not done by the junior person in the organization. Someone senior should look into the contract. Oh, this guy has created this data, and all the combination is good, and this can be approved. Once it's approved, then release agreement is open in the system. Anyone can use it and create a PO.
Is there any like we can say, is there any message we can drop regarding when we block the release procedure? Like uh, like I am a senior person and you have created one PO, and I don't want to I don't want to upload it because I find some defect is there. So I will just write down the defects and let you know that you first clear this one, and then I will upload this one.
That option is there. If you go to a release strategy, there is one option called cancel. I will check any open release strategy is there. I'll go to SC69. I'll show one scenario for you. There is one cancel icon. A senior person will click on cancel and he can write the comment also. This information is not clear. You edit it and you just again re-trigger the release strategy. Then only I can approve. Option is there. I'll show you. System is not acting quicker. Okay, see example. I'll go to a EKKO. EKKO is header level. You can find the release strategy. Example: how to check the open if you have some POs, okay, which has a release strategy but not yet released. So there is one option, release. You see, release group is there, release strategy is there, release indicator is, release status is there. Okay, so if I click on release statuses or subject to release this field, so here it will show. If it is no means I will have list of PO which don't have release strategy. When I click on S, okay, and I'll unselect all and I'll choose only this particular field, FRGRL. Okay, and I choose only this particular document number and this details enough, and execute. So it will give list of all the POs which has a release strategy. Okay, so from that I'll take one PO which has affected with the release strategy, or else if I'm not able to get any uh, active thing, right? Example, see, these are the company code, these are the purchase orders. When I open this one, copy this and go to ME29N. Weak and many are using the system, that's why it will be slow. I think performance is low. You can see the example, I opened this purchase order, which is like, see, this is not a PO, it's a contract. They are not post process contract using this function. So from that also you can filter out again. This example, see, this is the, you don't know which is contract, which is thing. That time you should put a purchase document category field. From there you can filter out which is K, which is F, which is L. From that you can get it. I'll just take some other thing here. I'll take this example. I think now release strategy we have changed, right? I will just manage with the latest release strategy and I'll show one scenario in that only. Anyway, this is one kind of learning for you. See, this is the purchasing group, BXG and all. You can see here, this is different PO, like purchase order details. You can see release strategy tab is there. Once you click on any senior person who wanted to release, if he don't release this, okay, some problem is there, price will be problem or something with the some details or something is issue, then there is option here, reject. Okay. Here you can see combine final release also is there. If they want to do release all, they can use, or Rejection is clicking on this rejection option. Okay, it will release. Refused is there. Okay, now it is refused, so you can cancel also again. Come back and cancel, and you can release it again if everything is good. By mistake, I had clicked on cancel without knowledge and all. If I want to cancel, I can click on this option. It will be in the first how it was showing cancel option. It will be showing it. See, this will be there when I see refusal to release, cancel, like that.
Once only you can do that.
This option is there, you can cancel. If I don't save it, when I come back, I just close this. Now open ME29, and it will be as usual. I'm not saving anything, right? When I save anything, it will get cancelled or rejected or something. It will go to a purchase order, who has created the purchase order, like that. And nowadays, see, now everything, it's like workflow is there. Whenever you create any release strategy, not required to go to ME29 and see all that which are open, which are to be released and all. Everything, it will come to their inbox, SAP inbox. These are the POs are there to release. They will open and they release. There is option to mass release also, option is there. And nowadays, many people don't want to get into SAP system. Then they will get a mail to their inbox in Outlook.
Okay.
They are traveling, and if they click on that link, it will take you to the SAP screen. Directly log in, and there they can release it.
With Theory, sorry,
Theory also in SAP ECC also. These things can be customized. This can be developed. If business want all this the development, with the help of developer ABAPer, we can give the information of this the requirement, and you just develop it, and I will test it. We have to test
regarding to the SAP portal.
Can I repeat the question?
Is it regarding to the SAP portal?
Not SAP portal. I'm talking about they don't want to get into SAP screen. Everything should get into their inbox. Outlook.
No, the same definition applies to the SAP portal. It allows you to access the SAP without having GUI installed on your computer.
I do not get you. Like, you're talking about SAP portal. Not okay. I'm talking about this release strategic process.
Yes. Actually, by help of that portal, we can able to do the configuration. That was I am.
Okay, you're talking about the support you should take. Yeah, definitely the procedure and all. SAP will give a standard procedure to do all this activity and all. We will refer that, and we will do accordingly. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. See here, when I get into release strategy here, see cancellation option is there.
Okay. Now message. Where is the message?
Message in this ECC, we don't have option to comment anything. When I click on this reject, so you can draft a mail or something. See, when I save here, okay, it got refused, right? Then you go back to your ME23 and screen. I will just copy this view. I'll show that. System is really slow today. I just let me message and get. Okay, error in price calculation, something is there. Okay, some issue is there. We cannot reject it. Already this GR is happened. I think something now it's see somewhere I can see document is there already. Anyway, I will do one thing. I'll go to CL20N and I'll create data for this, and we will work on that. Simple. Okay, just I'll make it here F and save it. Now savings done. ME21, and I'll create quickly one PO to see this. Okay, go to this vendor, enter this material, plant, and this. Okay, check it. Okay, now release strategy should come. Wait, Some problem with the, what is the problem?
And we didn't save that.
A store location, sorry. Store location is not entered. Okay, check it now. Okay, so now in the header level, it should show the release strategy. So now it is there. Okay, simple. So what I'll do, I'll just save it quickly. And I take this PO and I go to ME29N. Open this, enter here, and then go to this header level, release strategy. I reject this, saved, save. Okay, standard PO got changed. Come back to ME23N. Okay, see, still it is showing us indicator blocked. Okay, so we cannot release here, but there is no message, comment, or something you can do in the SAP in the ECC. But in HANA, I have seen that if anyone rejecting it or canceling the release or something, they can comment it. That message will come in the in this one tab is there. So there it will show why it is rejected. Comment will be displayed. Okay. That can be managed, I think. I am not sure. If example, I go back to ME29N, that view, I want to release now. I should
And
get
we
it.
in ribbon we can see if there is
See,
a
if see until unless if I not doing cancel rejection, I cannot release it. See, I should do the cancel. Then see, even this cancel again, it will come. Then I can release this like this. This is a normal process. I can release and then it will be showing green in the
in environment or purchase order in a ribbon tab you can see if there is an option to drop the message.
type. That you can type if you go to ME29N. Sorry, I'll just show here. Release strategy is now done, released. I'll go to ME29N and if you get into this release PO, already it is released, right? I cannot cancel it. I think in the text you can type. I think you can type here, it will be displayed. Wait, I'll recreate one scenario again. Let's do that. 21N and I'll recreate this material vendor, or I can create from the old view also. I'll just test it like this. Save it. And I have to, yeah, quantity. Save it. Then copy this. Here release strategy. If I cancel it, then I can type something here in the text. Please cancel. Please edit price as 90 and or something. I'm just trying this. It will come from there to here. It will come if I update. The problem is like if something this PO details are like printing, some header text is printing now.
Might be in a, also you can drop down if there is an option for this, like error node is there, pricing type is there. The node is there.
That you can see here. Any option is there. General info or something. You can add text something. See here. which is for release, and also you can add some text, because this header text will sometime print on the PO also, then it is a
Yes,
problem.
yes, sir.
Okay, because this will print it in the form that will go to a vendor, and he'll be checking like why you are canceling all this price are in. That is not good, na?
Yes,
Somewhere I can
yes.
header text can be maintained for separately for a release
Internal
strategy.
only.
uh,
Only for internal.
Only for internal. See, someone created a Santosh TCS. This is created by someone. Even I don't know how to create this text here. Need to
Might be
learn.
they are from the security.
Maybe
Security.
no, no, no. In a developer and all, they can create, and even who has expert to create header text that can be maintained. We can learn and do it, no issues. Creation of header text, and even in the bottom also, item also level, that is a text.
Ah, yes,
You can
yes.
create text here also, material PO text, delivery text, info record notes, sourcing reference PO. All these options are there.
So might be according to this whatever we select, according to this it will be decided if it will be printed on the document or not.
That will be the example. You wanted to print something, you have to decide.
Somewhere in a back setting that will be setting will be there, like
Yes, yes, yes,
if it will be output or not.
yes, yes. That can be done. Either to pick up this header text, you are choosing this, right? Example, you want to take this only header text of this, and system will go and look into that, and it will print on the form. But I wanted to check how to add new text details like this, somewhere like this PO history, this thing. So it is coming when you develop in some other area, and it will come in the PO screen. We cannot
Okay,
have
the
any option. Not
configuration.
configuration. It's a developing work.
Okay, okay.
Configuration means functional people can go and do it, right? Simple. I will research on this, how to create this.
Might be, I think it will be available in a SPR only. You can
Not sure. Let's see.
because we will not changing the screen settings or all this.
We are not seeing the screen sharing.
I'm not doing any
Yeah. When you get
configuration.
into ME21, and now everything is coming here, right? In the text option, when I create here. So for all the screen, this is common now. Text is common. This selection. See, I wanted to know how this person created this text. This is not standard one. This is customized. Santosh, you got my point, right?
Yes, yes. And we information we can import.
Okay, then I have to join
Okay, no
another
problem.
call. Thank you. Bye bye.
Already.
No problem. I'll just manage that. Bye.